So, welcome. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Karthik. I have around 6 years experience. I was working in an oil and gas industry. I also had like a 3 years experience abroad in US. So, that's like I consider like incredibly lucky to have reached IMB and to be part of this cohort.
Oh, superb. Superb.
Hi, my name is Juhi. I'm a part of the EPGP 2027 batch. I used to work in Citibank for about 6 years, and I chose this to unlock more areas in finance like ESG and also corporate finance. So I think this program did give me the opportunity to build on what I already know and open more doors for me.
So I am John Tilochup and I'll be forming the part of the new EPGP 27 cohort. So before joining here, I have been an army officer, completed somewhere around 6 years of service. I've always also been an art student, history and political science, so that is a quite variety kind of piece I bring into the cohort. Other than that, though I've been an art student, then preparing for GMAT was a big tough thing for me. Gave that time 2 times. So, but I'm happy that I got into the IIM Bangalore. This was the only IIM that I applied to and I got into it. So I'm really proud of this.
Hi, I'm Meenal Kaushik. I am from Jaipur. I have around 6 years of experience as an entrepreneur. I ran a sustainable textile jewelry business, post which I worked in a startup for a year, and I'm here at IMB now to learn more about the process and the internal workings of an organization.
Yes, hi. I'm Sushant. I have worked for almost 10 years across various investment banking, M&A advisory and talent development roles. Right now, I have applied and got into IIM Bangalore EPGP class of 2027 and I'm quite happy about it.
Hi, my name is Prajna. I have around 5 years of experience in the manufacturing industry. I was into B2B technical sales. I also have a background in entrepreneurship, which was into water tech. So yeah.
Now that you are here already, what would be that one advice that you would give to people who are looking to join next year?
Okay, so what I would say that I don't think that you can't do it. If an arts background student can do it, of course you definitely can do it. And coming from very unconventional background, I mean not at all in line with the MBA programs there. So you are already much better prepared than me. So you just have to take one step further ahead. Take your preparations thoroughly, smooth, sink into the preparation about the GMAT preparation, getting to know about the college, the degrees that you're doing, your future prospects, and most importantly, not just your grades and what you've achieved, but what you have experienced in your job profile, as well as what extracurricular activities that you do. So that will make a better impact on your profile and your admissions.
I think don't sell yourself short. Believe in the journey that you've had. Everyone has a different profile. Especially coming from me, I didn't think any college will take me because I didn't have a conventional profile. But it has been a great process. I got to learn a lot about myself. So be confident in what you're doing and in what you've done so far. It might seem not that big to you, but in the grand scheme of things, you've done a great job. So believe in that. And GMAT ke liye thoda padhai kar lo. It was very difficult for me, but I eventually cracked it. I think cracking IIMs is already in itself a huge confidence boost. Like you've done something in life.
That's true. That's true.
Would say that you have to prepare early, prepare every stages of your application, like including your essays, resumes, prepare for your interviews, writing exams. Once you are you have to take one step at a time and think through deeply and have talk to the EPGP who have already cracked it, and that would be a good launch pad for them to give a lot of insights on what to be done and what not to do in interviews, and that would be super enough to crack it.
I think the rankings speak for themselves. We are number 1 by QS, so you should definitely check that. But also the other thing is, it's a very huge campus. It's 100 plus acres. The faculty is amazing. And we've already met so many cool people in just 3 days. So you should definitely try to make it to be even before you go to Ahmedabad, because this is literally better.
So, first of all, be very clear about why this is a requirement for you at this juncture in your life, because you are anyway going to spend 1 year and are possibly going to lose your income for that amount of time. So, obviously, you should be very clear about it. For me, it was not on my cards initially, but when I went into talent development, this is something which I want to do in the future, and I believe IMB will be a great launchpad for that. I believe this is something which can help me grow in my career and pivot into such kind of role which I'm targeting in the future. So the very first thing and the very most important thing for this journey is to make sure that you are very clear about where do you want to land later on after the course, and be prepared for any hiccups which you might come across during the journey, but be very sure about it, and that will be a smooth journey then.
So my advice would be that GMAT, of course, is very important, but your profile is way more important. I think you have to have that uniqueness in your profile. So focus on your profile, focus on your resume, and yeah, I think that's it.
So now that it's been like 3 days, you've been on campus. Would love to know your experience about the hand-holding session, which we call the Aurora. Thoughts?
I am like super incredibly grateful to my seniors. I don't know if like the passion they have shown is something that I like, really love it, and I think it will be wonderful for my next 1 year, because they already given us all the preparations, like from the case studies to the cultural and also the sports culture. Like I'm going to be doing a lot of things in the last 2 days, and I think I'm going to be doing that for the rest of the years, and I have the energy, and I thank my seniors for that.
I think Aurora was really cool. They have a lot of sports that you can be a part of, and also they have like intellectual stuff like case studies and Shark Tank. So whatever your strength is, you can use that in this specific event. And I think it was really well organized by the seniors. So it was a little interesting, because they're setting the pace for what the year is going to be, which is going to be intense and fun. So I think this event was very needed for like a new batch.
Okay, so it has been a great experience. I already feel like that I've spent at least a week or more than that, but actually it's been just 2 days. So it's not a soft landing, it's not a hard landing, but it is the best landing, I would say. Thank you so much for the course.
I think it's been great. If you guys hadn't been here, I think we would have been lost and scared and really anxious. Although during your sessions also we got a little anxious, but I think we're really thankful that you showed us both the positives and the not negatives, but like not so positive sides. So we're prepared. I think it was the best session. It gave us a really good start for the program. Now we're very excited, and we're really excited we got to meet you guys, so that we're able to interact with you later on also.
So it has been extremely hectic. I have not been a night owl, but I have not slept properly for the past couple of days. But it has been quite exciting as well, as we had a lot of sessions, a lot of events, a lot of sporting events, a lot of hand-holding sessions, a lot of KTs, a lot of fun events is what we have participated in. And I believe this is something for which the seniors have been very helpful, and they have always motivated us and always tried to keep things quite chill around every aspect of the events, whatever we have participated in so far. So it has been a great journey so far, and I believe we'll be able to take that forward to the next year as well, and maybe we'll do it even better than what we have.
First of all, for the past 3 days, I've been, I've been having only 3 hours of sleep. So we all are so sleep deprived, but then we are so kind of excited. All these activities, I've never played a lot of sports, but then I played volleyball, I played throw ball, I did a 100-meter relay race, which I've never done even in school. So this was so important to sort of mingle with our senior ka batch, and then mingle with our own batch as well. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. Yeah, that's it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Superb.